Coast swing. It's not Miss Laura, it's Miss Stephanie. She's helping me today. Normally it's Laura, but today it's Miss Stephanie. Her and I are going to show you what we taught for our twice a month Herndon West Coast swing class. This is something I haven't taught in a while, first time this year, and it's actually for our 6-year anniversary being in this facility. So to all of you who've ever come, thank you very much. Starts out as a tuck turn. One hand tuck turn. So a basic one hand tuck turn is with my left hand, her right hand, 6 counts. 1, 2, do a tuck turn and you send her through. 5 and 6, okay? Just for the class's time. I bring her through off the track. 1, 2, compress, send her through, turning her to her right as a tuck. Okay, that starts this. It's actually a combination of several moves, and you'll see here in a second why. So on the first part of this, again, sugar push, release her left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I'm staying beside her, and I'm going to have my left arm up high, holding her right. So we're going to go this way, just stop on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But after 4, it really changes. Okay. 5 and 6 is the next triple. So I'm going to take this, we're going to stop on 6. Okay. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I let go of her right hand. I don't need it anymore. Now she's traveling a half turn to her right. I'm going to take my right hand and bring it underneath to her right hip. And I'm going to pull her forward onto her right foot. So sugar push, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5 and 6. I'm sorry, push forward on my left foot. Okay, I'm on my right. So look at it going front to back so you can see it a little clearer. So guys, stay off to her left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now I need to have a good connection there for the next part, because what I want to do is another triple. So a little faster to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring her forward. If she stays right there, I'm now going to pull and turn her to her left and do it. She does another triple. Triple step. And now I'm just switching hands. My right hand did the first one. My left hand does the other one. Okay, now I'm just changing my weight. So I was on my right foot on the first one, and now I'm just tripling the other direction. Slower. I want her to be the focus of the move. So if we add the second triple, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Stephanie's on her right. I'm on my left. It's hard to do slow. Let's go this direction. Whole thing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring her forward. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. If you notice, Stephanie's alternating arm that's not being held, you want to bring it up and leave it up to get it out of both of yours way, because it's going to get in the way if you leave it low. So let's add that second triple to it. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple step. Triple step. You're just going to repeat it again. Triple step. All right? She's on her left, I'm on my right. We redid it 3 times. 3 triples in a row, front to back. You can do more if you want, but why would you want to do that? Sugar push. 3 and 4. We're adding the next triple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring her forward. Bring her forward. Bring her forward. She's on her right. She's on her left, I'm on my right. Okay? Hope you like this. And we normally teach on another night, another place, but she keeps track even here. Give us a like, please subscribe, it's free. Let's add the ending to it, okay? Which is another triple, 3, 4. But I'm doing something new. 1, 2, 3, 4. First triple 1, second triple 2, third triple 3 here, triple step. Now what it is she does another half turn. Guys, you have to accelerate your turn and come around and meet her. So we're going to stop on the third triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. This is 1. This is 2. We're going to stop here on 3. This time, guys, keep the right hand. Use it. Turn her. Triple step and get in front of her. Weighted on my left. She's on her right. So front to back. Sugar push. And then, guys, your new part. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. Come around. Triple step. Left foot or right foot. In the end, it's just a basic whip, walk, walk, triple. Whole thing. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. Pick her up. Half turn. Let her go. So she's going to end up on the other side of the track. 10 is. So again, it's just a basic whip to end it, but you're doing a whole lot of other stuff to get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10 come around, triple step, half turn, let her go. All right? One more time this direction, sugar push. It's called a hip, the tuck hip whip. Okay? 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Alternate your arms, triple step. Pick her up, half turn, let her go. She doesn't rank. All right? Hip tuck whip. Hard to say. You try to say it really fast. Thank you, Miss Steph. Thanks, guys. Hope you like that. Hope you use it. That's why we do it, to share our passion for dance with you. Till next time, have a great week, and as always, keep dancing.